Let's paint a funky, colorful geometric rainbow lip today in today's lip art tutorial. The rainbow month is still going on, so here I am with my rainbow hair, talking about rainbow lip arts with another version of rainbow lips on, which already has a tutorial on my channel. You might have seen it, or you can check it out right after this one. By the way, let me know if you like that style of tutorial more or this commentary style. And of course, as usual, a shorter version of this tutorial will later be available in the YouTube Shorts, so let's dive right in. This is going to be a relatively simple but really sparkly lip that you don't really need a lot of lipsticks for, and you don't need to do a lot of line work. The main line work that you are seeing is happening right now. You outline your lips, giving them the desired shape, and then you double outline that contour. You'll see that in a moment. And this way, it will be easier to keep track of the contour, to make it even, and the width of this contour has to be the diameter of your rhinestones, more or less. It doesn't have to be exact, of course. I recommend using a dark color for this contour to make the rhinestones really stand out, to make these crystals shine, and something dark goes in between. I chose the dark gray. I think, black or dark blue or, dark purple, whatever will do just fine. And after you fill in that contour, which is approximately the width of your rhinestones, as I have said, not much thicker, not much narrower, so that they will just look like they are the contour. And you fill in the lips with a light color. I chose light pink. Any light color I think will look fine. Light green, lilac, light blue. Correct the gray or whichever line you have if necessary, and then apply lash glue to that contour, because if you apply glitter primer, the rhinestones will have a higher risk of falling off. So apply lash glue. It's white when you apply it, but later on it's transparent. And then with a wax pencil, start applying the rhinestones. You can also use your finger, but with a wax pencil it's just more convenient. And the rhinestones will give you the rainbow look because they are different colors. And before you think, oh my god, do I really need to buy 7, 8, 9 packs of rhinestones to get all these colors? No, usually you have these rainbow packs that are sold, and you can just get a rainbow pack. I'm basically using that one here and maybe 2 colors outside of it, so that will actually do just fine. And just apply the rhinestones, in a rainbow order, or in whatever order you feel like to make the colorful lip. And after you're done with applying them to the contour, you can also sketch some black or dark dots on your lips, apply lash glue over them to get some scattered rhinestones in the middle. And the reason you want to do dark dots, because lash glue is transparent after it dries, so you won't see where the dots are. And just apply several rhinestones there. I chose another color, the duochrome green to purple ones, but that's just because I had it already. If you don't, I think the ones from the rainbow pack, the ones that are in the contour, will be just perfect. Here is the final super sparkly and dope result. I hope you like it and that you want to wear something of the kind. Thumbs up if you agree. I think this was a relatively easy lip. You don't need to do a lot of lines, you don't need a lot of brushes, you don't need those tiny details, but at the same time, I think for the amount of work that you do, this lip really stands out. What kind of colorful lip would you want to wear? A sparkly one, a metallic one, a matte one? Let me know what's on your mind. And if you want more lip art, you're welcome in this playlist. See you there. Bye!